Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 12th tutorial in the series of tutorials on shell scripting. And in this tutorial we're gonna check out the sort command. Now sort, as the name suggests, is used to sort text. Now what I'm gonna do in this tutorial is I'm gonna first create two files. I'm gonna call the first one animals, and I'm just gonna type in some animal names like owls and camels and pigs, and what else can I put in here? Dogs and lions and elephants and maybe asses. Yeah, and I'll press Ctrl D to end my document there, and I can see my file by typing in cat animals. And there you go, that's my file. And I'll create another file using cat again, and this one I'll call sports. Now just type in some sport names here: cricket and tennis and what else, ice hockey, and what else can I put in here? Soccer, of course, and then basketball, and maybe wrestling. Yeah, that should do it. Save this file as well. Now see it. Yeah, there it is. It's pretty clear my terminal. Now we get to our discussion on sort. Now what sort does is, if I type in sort and if I provided a file name, let's say animals, then what sort would do is it would extract the text out from animals, it would arrange the sentences in alphabetical order, and it would display the sorted output on my screen. If you don't believe me, then you can see this. Asses comes first, and then camels, and then dogs and elephants, lions, owls and pigs. All these animals have been arranged in alphabetical order, the names that is. And if I would apply sort to sports, then I see that basketball comes first because it starts with the alphabet B, then cricket because it starts with C, and wrestling because it's got a W as the first alphabet gets the last position. So that's what sort does for you. It's a pretty handy utility, and we can use it in multiple ways. We'll discuss it in more detail maybe when we get to shell scripting, but I can assure you guys that you will be using this a lot. And the other thing that you can do with sort is, if you just type in sort and press enter, you see that the cursor blinks on the next line, and the shell waits for you to type in some text. And what this basically means is the shell waits for you to type in input that it can sort and display it to you. So let me just type in some film names here. Movies, Apocalypse Now, then maybe Castaway, and Forrest Gump. That's my favorite film right there. And then Raging Bull. Who can forget Scorsese, An Aviator can go in that list. And what else can go in there? One more name, Saving Private Ryan. And when I press Ctrl D, I see that my film names are displayed in alphabetical order. Saving Private Ryan was the last entry that I provided, and after that I press Ctrl D. And the next statement that follows is Apocalypse Now, which happens to be the first movie in our list if we prepare the list in alphabetical order. Aviator is the next one, then Castaway, then Forrest Gump and Raging Bull, and Saving Private Ryan starts with S, so it obviously has to be the last item on the list. So that's it for now. That's all I have to say about sort. And there are a lot of other options that come along with sort, and maybe you can check them out on your own. And maybe if I get a chance to speak about sort again in future, I'll discuss it. But for the time being, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.